Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I just want to share kind of some of the painting that I did on my Pumpkinhead model. I kind of want to fix the teeth a little bit more after looking at it, make them a little more yellow, but this is about what it looks like. And I actually forgot to do the primer onto the model, and this is what it looks like with primer. I have a black primer that I got, and so what happened was when I would wet my brush and then paint on there, if I got it wet, it would start clunking up, but it didn't mess it up too bad. Now I just probably have to put a coat or something on it to keep it from, you know, getting wet or anything and smothering with the paint. But that's kind of, the primer should hold it better onto the print. I went ahead and did this, glued the head to this other part because you have to do them in pieces to fit on the printer, the Anycubic, and so going from there. But after that, I went and started buying some more paints because I was like, I only had a limited amount of paints that I had. I like just these few and what's in this case, and I purchased some more from Walmart and kind of going from there. I don't know if these will work, but we'll see. This is a good test to see how they look on this. I wanted to get this one painted up, but just kind of see if I could get a little more detail to pop. Since this has a black primer, it'll actually have, I could do a more dry brush going onto this. So that's what I did. I actually would dry it off with either, you know, this newspaper, all that trash that comes in the mail, that news, just trash mail. I've been using it for my paintings and stuff like that, so I've been collecting that. But I was kind of, I was down for a little bit with my printer because I had broken, or not broke, but the FEP kind of got old. And I was printing ET here, and his arm fell off. Yeah, that's kind of scary. And fell into the tub, the liquid of the resin, and then it started. I guess it started rubbing on it, and when I tried to scrape it off, it just kind of, it was warped. So I purchased some more FEP film to do it. But the first one that I did, I didn't realize that there was. I kept reading that there's another film on the back, and I looked, it didn't look like it until I started cutting it, and then I was just like, oh, there it is. And so I had to do it one more time. So I got 5 of them, so it's not so bad. I practiced on the first one, and the second one I got it in. So now the printer's working again. I got some more stuff coming for the other one, my Mega Zero. Hopefully that'll come today, but it's been raining, so I've been kind of listening for the Amazon truck or whoever drops it off from Amazon and going from there. But yeah, I just wanted to share this because these were real fun to print. I want to do a big one, but I need to break the mesh apart still. I need to do the keys, and that takes a long time to kind of figure out how you're going to slice it, how you're going to key it, and then just making that time to do it. And then on top of that, you got to put it inside of a slicer, and then it'll support it, and if you do it right, it'll print right. If you don't, it'll do this. And so that's where some of these come in. I had printed this one. I had meant to fix the base of it because the way it was angled onto the printer, it didn't have enough support to hold it into its shape. And so I guess as it would go, it would just start drooping onto the printer. And I had known this before, but I had forgotten. I hadn't seen it, but I might just print this on the Mega Zero to get a quick fix in the time being. But it works. I was gonna sand it down. You can't tell if you don't look at it too close, but it seemed to work out. I just kind of keep going, making little prints, and then trying to hopefully make some time to paint them. ET, I gotta figure out if he'll work again. I want to say I was gonna try to reorient his body, but I don't know if I want to do that. It's still got a little we call it the alcohol, isotropic alcohol, and it's still kind of coming out of his body. I try to UV light him so he can at least be solidified. So I don't know. I want to keep this momentum going on the painting and stuff like that. So we'll try to get it in there. Look at that. I needed to paint the bottom, and now that I look at it, I'm just like, oh, I should have probably painted black or something. We'll see what I can do later. I got the brushes, I got more paint, I got more color. I wanted a little like green tint blended in with a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm trying to get them a little more earthy toned. And I had the earthy tone color, so but yeah, I just want to share this, the little Pumpkinhead paintings from the 3D print that I've made from ZBrush, going from there. So thanks for watching.